Hello everyone, my name is Raihan Ardiansyah from class XF. Today I'm going to present my consonant analysis project focused on minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonants in both the initial and final positions in English. Let's begin. The first pair is P and B. P is a voiceless bilabial plosive and B is a voiced bilabial plosive. For example, initial is pet versus bat and final is mob versus mob. Next, we have f and v. F is a voiceless labiodental fricative and v is a voiced labiodental fricative. For example, initial is fine versus vine and final is leaf versus live. Now let's look at s and z. S is a voiceless alveolar fricative and z is a voiced alveolar fricative. For example, initial is zip versus zip and final is buzz versus buzz. Next is j versus j. J is a voiceless postalveolar affricative and j is a voiced postalveolar affricative. For example, initial is chew versus jew and final is which versus which. Now we have g and g. G is a voiceless velar plosive and g is a voiced velar plosive. For example, initial is coat and goat and final is bag and bag. Let's move to t and d. T is a voiceless dental fricative and d is a voiced dental fricative. For example, initial is thing versus this and final is bath versus bait. Next is t and d. T is a voiceless alveolar plosive and d is a voiced alveolar plosive. For example, initial is tip versus dip and final is bed versus bed. Now let's examine sh and j. Sh is a voiceless postalveolar fricative and j is a voiced postalveolar fricative. For example, initial is ship versus genre and final is cash and versus beige. Finally, we have all and All is a voiced alveolar lateral approximant and is a voiced alveolar approximant. For example, initial is lip versus rib and final is deer versus deer. Next, I'm going to present some minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonants in both initial and final positions. Using tongue twister, I also explain their voicing, place, and manner of articulation. Let's begin. Tongue twister 1. Let's start with the sound k and g. K is pronounced like in cook and cool. It is a voiceless, velar, and plosive sound. G is pronounced like good. It is a voiced, velar, and plosive sound. For example, cook, cool, cook, good, cookies. Next, tongue twister 2. Ch and j. Ch is pronounced as like in charming and cheerfully. It is a voiceless, postalveolar, and affricative. J is pronounced like in judge and joke. It is a voiced, postalveolar, and affricative. For example, charming, children, cheerfully, chase, judge, and joking. Last is tongue twister 3. S pronounced like in silly and sang. It is a voiceless, alveolar, and fricative. Next is z. Z is pronounced like in zebras. It is a voiced, alveolar, and fricative. The last one is sh. Sh is pronounced like share and shoes. It is a voiceless, postalveolar, and fricative. For example, silly, zebras, sang, and share shiny shoes. That's all for today's presentation on contrasting consonants. Practice slowly, then increase your speed. Thank you for watching.